Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kaddevaru, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to continue with chapter 11 speed, distance and time. So let us begin with the chapter. Students, in today's video, we are going to study how to find distance when speed and time are given. So the formula to find the distance is equals to speed into time. In earlier videos, we studied the formula speed is equals to distance upon time taken. So this time is dividing here. When it moves to other side of equals to, it becomes multiplication. So yes, that is speed into time taken is equals to d. So we got the formula for distance. So to find the distance traveled, we have to multiply speed into time. So this is the formula we are going to apply today. Here are some examples. How much distance will be covered in 5 hours at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour? It means for 1 hour the distance covered is 50 kilometers. So children, distance covered in 1 hour is 50 kilometers. We have to find the distance that is covered in 5 hours. So what you will do now? You will multiply 5 into 50 because this is the distance traveled in 1 hour. So 5 into 50. 5 5s are 25 and this 0. So totally in 5 hours the distance covered is 250 kilometers. Another example. How much distance will be covered in 1.5 hours at a speed of 30 meters per minute? So children, first we have to convert this 1.5 hours into minutes because they have told that the speed is in 30 meters per minute. So I will convert this 1.5 hours into minute. You know that 1 hour contains how many minutes? 60, and half hour means half of 60, that is 30. So totally 1.5 hour means 90 minutes, and the distance covered in 1 minute, it is already given in question, that is 30 meters. So the distance covered in 90 minutes will be 30 into 90. So what will be the answer now? 3 9s are 27 and these two zeros. So totally distance covered in 90 minutes is 2700 meters. But the question, if you observe, it was asked for 1.5 hours. So let us convert this meters into kilometers. When you convert meters into kilometers, you have to divide it by 1000 because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000. What is remaining? 700. As it is not divisible, take point, give 0. 7000 is remaining. 1000 sevens are 7000. So totally the distance traveled is 2.7 kilometers. Now children, we know the formula to find speed. We know the formula to find distance. Now can you tell me how to find the time? Now time will be given as, see a time t is multiplying with speed. When we want to find the unknown quantity, that is time, as speed is multiplying here, when it moves this side it goes and divides. So t is given as distance traveled upon speed. So this is the formula to find the time. This is for speed, this is for distance covered, and this is for time. These three formulas you have to recall. Now let us solve some examples of how to find time taken to cover a particular distance. How much time will be taken to cover a distance of 250 kilometer at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour? That is, it is traveling 50 kilometers in 1 hour. So the time taken to cover 50 kilometers is equals to 1 hour. So the time taken to cover 1 kilometer will be 1. This comes this side and divide. So 1 upon 50 hours. Now we have to find the time taken to cover the distance of 250 kilometers. So children, what will you do now? To find for 1 kilometer, it is 1 upon 50. And if you want to find 250 kilometers, what you will do? You will multiply with 250. Unitary method you have already studied. If you get the value of 1, you can find the value of how much ever you want. So for 1 kilometer, the time taken is this much. So for 250 kilometers, you will multiply this into 250. Is it clear? 1 0, 1 0 gets cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So what is my answer? 1 into 5. That is 5 hours. So the time taken to cover 250 kilometers is 5 hours. Another example we have where how much time will be taken to cover 10 meter at a speed of 10 centimeter per second. So children, 10 centimeter per second means for every second the distance traveled is 10 centimeters. So to travel, I will write it in statement, that is time taken to cover 10 centimeters is equals to 1 second. Similarly, if you want to cover 1 centimeters of distance, it will be 1 upon 10. That is this 10, when it moves this side, it becomes upon 10. This statement is clear, I hope. Next one, in this question they have told how much time will be taken to cover 10 meters. So you have to find the time taken to cover 10 meters. You already know that 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. As here we have in centimeters, we are converting this 10 meters also into centimeters. So for that I have written 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters, where 10 meters will be 10 into 100, that is 1000 centimeters. Now I have converted into seconds as well as in centimeters. Now you have to find the time. What is the formula for time? That is time taken will be, so children, you write 1 upon 10, that is the time taken, into 1000 centimeters. 1 0, 1 0 gets cancelled. What will remain? 100 seconds. So the time taken to cover 10 meters of distance is 100 seconds.